Hi everyone. Let's see our Wednesday, uh, our military stock. Woo, you, you. Yeah, breaks down below. Mhm. Oh no, that's not what I meant. Our military. Of course, you will not play it out of this level. Uh, just for continuity's sake, we'll keep an eye. But it's gone. Bye bye. So this guy. So technically, what happened here? We cannot play it of this daily level on hourly no more because it's not a transitory extremum anymore. It's a regular T1, and it's a regular counter trend now, and we got to be careful. So once it hits here, well, we can technically we can still do a short. Let me think about it. Yeah, no, we cannot even like look at hourly, not before it closes the manipulation signal on daily now. Uh, yeah. However, we can look for a short minute trade when it touches this hourly, but not but on the hourly only after it closes manipulation signal here and up to point 0.5. Yeah, up to point 0.5 of this movement. Casco. Mm-hmm. Casco holds, and technically in 3 hours we can set up a long play on daily. And there is still some room to go. I'll show you something, guys. We don't use it as a rule, only as a guidance. There is like thing called rotation point. So assuming that the price will go the same distance from the level it broke, and it's first T1 here and expanded T1 here. So this guy has room to go. However, and volume distribution is good. Whole volume is on jump over creek, and then it decreases, and spread decreases. So it looks like it will correct and will resume. However, the entire market is overextended, and I don't mind holding Costco, but can be a long hold, like a really long hold. Uh, you'll have to think about it multiple times. All the rest looks good. Uh, this volume, 1225, 1225. So that's our transitory extremum on hourly wave breaking uh, of the support level on daily. Technically, yeah. So it wasn't up thrust, so we put it here. Yeah. I don't know, guys. Do you want this trade? I'm not so crazy about it. It's just like so up there. It's so up there. And of the joke level. This volume is still big at 2.14195, and this volume is, oh, it's here actually. Yeah, it's so extended, and like expecting here acceleration of the wave. Uh, yeah, guys, I'm not so crazy about this trade, to be honest with you. Like, I'm not crazy about it at all. At all. Comcast, you see, broken goes lower for now. Nvidia, yeah, bounced of point 0.5 on daily, going higher. This stock goes bananas. General Dynamic, the stock of war. Actually, if Trump comes into power, he can stop the war. But anyhow, these guys are not gonna lose. They're, oh, look at Pepsi. Pepsi is like, do you want to buy me? And we're like, not so sure about it. Still technically a test. And that's what it does right now. So technically you could play below. And that's how it actually changed the direction here. So it's our transitory extremum. Yeah, but it's a massacre. The good clean play was here. That was our good clean play. Now we are like trying to suck the bones, if it makes sense. I'm just translating a Russian saying. You know, when you have nothing to eat, when you don't have meat to eat, you're sucking the bones. So yeah, that was a clean play. Now it's, yeah, doesn't look good. This stack, you see what it does? Doesn't go here and boom. Yeah, it has to decide what it wants to do, and in 3 hours it can close below here, and then boom, this level is broken. And this is the level. It's not at the top. Yeah, got to keep an eye on this one. Um, hmm um, this is goes higher. And this was the biggest level of the volume. You see how it holds here. We don't need alarm on this one. Yeah, and now it's in neutral zone, and you know, it's kind of like bye bye. It went without us. Mm-hmm. It almost went to point 0.5. Well, I wouldn't trade it here because it's all like in the neutral zone. It's, yeah, on this volume. However, on the hourly, this volume comes here. Hourly is not bad. Just to Messi. Messi, not in terms of Messi. Who's now playing in Miami, guys. um, but Messi. Yeah, remember I told you it's like two. That's weird. Should come to the T2 level now on daily, but it doesn't. Now it's in imbalance. 1 1 1. I mean 1 2 1 2. It's in imbalance. We'll keep an eye. Yeah, there is nothing. There is nothing on the market. If you go any interesting stock, let me know. I'll take a look at it. Uh, hmm This this goes higher. We'll just we'll hold at this point. We'll just hold. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. To do Bitcoin is unstoppable. Can't stop, won't stop. Breaks mm, is breaking T1 level of this upcoming trend. Yeah, this goes absolutely bananas. Okay, breaks here, then forms breaks this level. Just doesn't hold nothing, just goes higher and higher and higher. That's, guys, is the power of impulse. Uh, and I'm not gonna lie, whoever bought at 16 is my hero. And they don't need my um, acknowledgement. They know by themselves. So that's our sign of strength. And yeah, it's like T1, it's a weak level, and there is no signs of mm, price willing to break in the reverse. You never know, but as of now, you see, corrected and dun 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 dun. Mm-hmm. That's our Bitcoin. It just goes higher, higher and higher and higher. And remember this one, shorting of the thrust, and now it goes higher. It does do that though. It can like retest the highest. It's kind of a little bit like too high already, but sometimes it just retests the high of the shorting of thrust and goes down. But there is nothing on the daily chart right now that would indicate Bitcoin intention to reverse. All right, that's all I've got for us for today. This needs to manipulate to on a daily. I don't know, you guys. I don't want to trade it. Do you? It's an impulse, and that's the whole magic of impulse. It like you never know when it's gonna stop. And I don't think Costco is going anywhere. And I buy all my food from Costco, like 90% of my food. Everything I buy online, and I buy online 90% of my food, is from Costco. So I don't see why they should do bad in any foreseeable future. Uh, However, this is not good price point for investment. You see what I'm saying? This is not good point at all. It can correct on monthly. It can correct to here easily, like easily. It can go higher. Nothing that prevents it from going higher. Um, yeah, this is on daily. Everything looks good. Like a little bit too big of a volume for correction, but you see how it's like it grew in 2 bars, and then one, two, three, and now, yeah, it forms signal. This whole volume was bought out. You can also see it as like a mistake. It's only like it's only broke below by 1225 by like 3 ticks, which is nothing. So you can see it as a 2 bar spring. We need a test technically, but it's not an hourly play. That's a daily play. We can get stuck on this guy for a long, long time. So that would be the play. However, however, if it doesn't go there, hey, wait. If it doesn't go there, and it will go here, 20%. If it goes here, it's 25%. Do you want to sit on the stock that corrects 25%? So I don't. I do not at all. Realistically, we can expect it to go here. So this volume becomes zero point 0.5, or at least here, or at least here. So there is room. Like there is genuinely a room for the stock to go. And the volume distribution is good. Everything looks good on Costco. I also think that most likely it will test this spring. Yeah, the only excuse I can find here is to wait for a test of this level because it's comparable volume. So here's this 2.14 and here's this 1.95. Like the volume of this correction, and look at this correction. So here's the biggest volume. Yeah, this volume is bigger. You see? And there's more volume here. So yeah, it looks bullish on hourly. Let's see where this volume is in 5 minutes. We don't use it um, as the as a method. However, is it this volume? No, that's right. Gosh, the volume distribution is weird on the on the on the United States stocks. Oh no, we want to see before that. I want to see. You see, actually, it bounced of this volume and went down. So now it can bounce of this volume, this volume. It's all tested now. No, it's here. Yeah, it's here. It still stays the same. It's untested. So this volume just continues. It's the same cloud of interests of market participants. It's still here. Didn't go nowhere. See what I'm saying? It says in the morning though. Hmm. You see what I'm saying? So it says there is more volume here on hourly than here. Even though this guy looks bigger, so this cumulatively is the bigger volume than this. This is what hourly chart says tells to us, which is more encouraging because it's here. It's here. In here, it's mostly no. It's even. It's like evenly distributed here, so we can't really tell what's really going on here. We only know that it never overcame this volume. Mm. So it's hard for us to tell. But it was bought out. Whatever happened here, it was like bought out all the way up here. And you see it's still like to-dun, 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 to-dun. And there is more volume here than here again on daily, if you like. Zoom out on daily. This is bigger volume. 13th. 13th. So yeah. 13th. Oh, what happened here is still a bigger volume than what happened here. Whew. It is tempting just because of how much capital we're having here now sitting on the sidelines. However, it corrected to point 0.5. But here we like playing of the bar level, we expect acceleration of the wave. So we expect it to go bananas from here, at least up to here. Considering where we are on the wave, it is extended. It is extended. However, the volume is bullish. It never broke below this volume. Hmm. Yeah, and that's pretty much the only volume we can brag about. Oops, no. It was Costco, right? Cos- It looks good on daily. It looks good on daily. But if we get into this deal and we are wrong, we will be sitting in Costco. Even if it's continuation of the trend, and it's like it came here to in 3 bars in 3 months, we are talking about at least like 6, 7 months of correction. Yeah, guys, I don't really think it's worth it, no matter how tempting it is on daily. And it is. It is like yum on daily. My personal statistics doesn't allow me to undertake these risks because if I'm wrong, On the other hand, I have capital. Even if I get stuck in this deal for 6 months, for a year, I will still collecting my dividends. We're at $1 for like $600 stock. Uh, yeah, dividend yield is less than 1%. It's still a dividend stock. I need to meditate. I have like 3 hours. We have less than 3 hours. We need to really meditate on this because everything looks good. On hourly, it doesn't look good because it never like it bounces. You see, it doesn't break. It bounces. It needs to break here, and by that time, it's gonna be late. Like the one excuse I can find for myself is to wait for a test based of the hourly situation. Based of the hourly situation, we can expect. However, if it's acceleration, it will just take off. But considering this volume is distributed in a way that we can distinctly like attribute it towards the end of the wave, towards the T1 level, and it's not in the T1 level. It's yeah, it's all across the board. It's like if it was here per se, that would be a different story. Then we would say, and it actually decreases towards here, and then it peaks again. So we can say that this volume is here, so that's a T1, even though it breaks down. So like it would make more sense. Yeah, I think, guys, I need to sit in my hands and really discipline myself. Day level is tempting, but monthly level shows us, yeah, no, you gotta wait. Okay, if you have any other stocks for me to look at, let me know. I'll go meditate on Costco.